Hey y'all, and welcome back. We're trying another potential food trailer item today. This is going to be really simple, but I've been seeing it everywhere on TikTok, you know, here on YouTube, everywhere. It's the Five Guys Grilled Cheese Cheeseburgers, and I've never had one. I've never been to a Five Guys, so this is going to be a new one for me. But of course, I'm going to put my little spin on it, I guess you'd say. I'm going to try my own little seasoning. So this is going to be the very basic recipe. You know, on the food trailer, I will have options, you know, the onions, the peppers, the whatever kind of condiments you may want on your burger. Today, I'm just trying out the basic burger, seeing if it's going to make the menu or not. You let me know down in the comments, which you all been doing a great job of, I have to say, with some of the suggestions you've been giving me. Do this, try this, do this. Thank you so much. I'm finding out a lot of my viewers, and maybe first-time viewers, I don't know, are actually food truck operators and owners, and they kind of give me some ins and outs of what I can expect or what to try this, do that. So that's where I'm at right now, and I really appreciate all the feedback y'all have been giving me. So now you see here, we're only using some basic ingredients. We're not trying to get real fancy with these cheeseburgers right now. But like I said, if you want to add to it, you can. This is just a basic recipe. So now I went ahead and fired up the griddle, got everything on about a medium low, because on my griddle, that's pretty dang hot. You want a good hot surface for Smashburgers, because I said in previous videos, that's what my food truck, the focus is going to be on Smashburgers. So we're trying different burgers, and I'm just dragging y'all along here with me. So now while that griddle is heating up, let's go ahead and make out our hamburger balls. Let's open up our package of hamburger meat here. Now this is roughly 1 pound of hamburger meat. Now I highly recommend using 80/20 ground chuck to make your Smashburgers. Like I said, we got 1 pound here. Usually Smashburgers roughly about 4 ounces. So we're gonna cut that in half and then cut them in half again, like that. And just loosely pack the hamburger. You don't want to pack it real tight. You don't want real tight packs. Just make up these right here, and we'll get them all about the same size roughly. Try to anyhow. They ain't got to be exact, just close. Let's see what we got here. That looks about right, don't it? Don't y'all think? Close enough. Let's go check on that griddle. Ah, that smoke is rolling. That only means one thing. It's time to get some groceries up on this griddle. We're gonna throw down a little oil first though. And get it spread out. Now it's time to put some meat to the heat. Now a lot of people will go ahead and season them right now before they smash them. But I like to smash mine first, then season them. So grab you some parchment paper and a good smasher and get to work. Smash them patties on down. Roughly for about 10 seconds is what we're looking for. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, looks great. Get the rest of them done. There it is. Now I put my seasoning on. That's some seasoning that we make, as we call it, Crazy Pop's dry rub seasoning. Don't use a whole lot in our videos. We use a lot off camera. Might start using it more often. Might even try to market it one day, can't ever tell. We love this stuff. Let's get some on these burgers though. Man, these burgers are already smelling amazing. They're just about ready to flip already. I mean, look at that right there. Now, that is one thing when you're doing smash burgers, something like this, and like I said on my previous videos, I'm trying to make recipes that can turn out real quick. Smash burgers don't take long at all. So I tell you what, grab you a big old spatula, and let's give them a flip now. Looking good. Good enough, good enough. So now, let's hit that with some cheese. Now I like to use American cheese, you know, whatever cheese you like to use, but for just classic smash burger style, I love a good old American processed cheese right there. Now we got them burgers flipping that cheese going, we need to toast these buns up. Now I'm gonna do something I don't normally do. I usually use butter, but today I'm gonna toast these buns up with some mayo. So I just wanna get a little light coating on here, like that right there. I'm gonna put it down toward the edge here. The cooler part of the griddle. Ain't gotta be real hot. Looks good right there. Now, we got to put cheese on the buns. You heard me right, we're putting cheese on the buns. Oh, I need one more slice. I just have to have another slice right here. The one thing I noticed on the Five Guys burgers or whatever, any burgers I've seen like this, they smash them buns down. So I'm gonna try that. So I'm just take my hand right here, just kind of smash that bun on into that griddle right there. Kind of flatten it out just a little bit. That cheese right there is already melted up on these burgers. So pretty. I mean, look at that right there. Get some toast on these buns right here, and we're gonna be eating good here in just a little bit. Speaking of the toast on the buns, let's check on them. We don't want to burn them. What y'all think about that? Looks pretty good. Oh yeah, I'm liking that. Looks good to me. Oh yeah. It's time to build these things. So let's slide our burgers over here. Man, that fried cheese stuck on these. Haha. Hey, that rhymes. I'm gonna kill the heat. Grab your cutting board. Put it down there like that. It's a nice time to build these things. Let's get these buns up on the board. I don't really think it matters which is top and which is bottom at this point. They're all smashed down. And I'm making doubles, y'all. But look here. This cheese has stuck together. This fried cheese, that is. There we go. Get it loose. There we go. That's when you know it's good. Got a fried cheese all around it. Now you know me, I like a little post dusting sometimes. Hit just a little bit more seasoning on there. Perfect. Let's crown them. Look at that toast, y'all. Well, I'm rather impressed at how these turned out, y'all. They look really good to me, except for the cheese on top of the bun. My bad. I'm sorry. Put the bun on the wrong way. I'm used to putting them on traditional way. This is not a traditional burger, but I'm sure they're gonna be good. Well, y'all, there they are. I mean, they look great to me. And like I said at the beginning of the video, these are just the basic burger. Now, whatever toppings you may want, order it with that. If you want lettuce, tomato, onion, pickles, jalapenos, peppers, whatever you may want, you can add it to the burger. Customize. This is the basic one. I think the basic's gonna be pretty good. I say we cut one of them open and kind of just take a gander on the inside, see what it looks like, and then try one out. Let's try this one here. Nice little light crunch on that bread. Let's see what we got here, y'all. Look at that. Good old cheesy goodness in there. That looks really good. Let's see if it tastes as good as it looks. That's a great base for a burger. Me personally, those some jalapenos, maybe some charred onions, some like sauteed onions. That right there is great. Does have the grilled cheese taste, but it does have the Smashburger taste. So you got the grilled cheese Smashburger kind of thing going on there. I'm loving this. I do believe this is going to be on the menu. Now I will offer this in a single, double, and possibly a triple if you want to try to attack a triple one of these. I'm sure somebody out there will. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please share it out. I need all the help I can get, and I've been getting a lot of help. And thank you so much for all the comments and suggestions with the food trailer and the different menu items and all. I have to say the mayonnaise on this turned out really good to toast this bread with instead of butter. I think I like that better than the butter, honestly. Thank you again for everything. I really appreciate it. I got to take these into the kids, let them devour them, and we'll see you next time.